हाय गाइस, माय चैनल लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर बटन। तो ये है लेबोरेटरी मैनुअल बायोलॉजी कक्षा 12 का प्रैक्टिकल। तो इसमें हम लोग वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे जेनेटिक के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। ऑन द showing round seeds pea and ring seeds also the appeared in the progeny. What in this indicate? Appearance of the ring seed is the progeny lips that round seeds hybrid. The round shape of seed is dominant over the ring seed. You are given a tall pea plant and how would you find its genotype? Explain. The genotype of tall plant pea plant can known as the test cross and homogeneous tall TT will be produced in tall plant which is heterozygous tall capital T small t plant will produce both tall and dwarf plant in ratio 1:1. For success where his failed to discover the basic principles of inheritance. Mendel achieved success because study of the inheritance each character separately. Maintenance is carefully accurate record every cross of analysis data statistically select the garden P which is the proved very satisfactory material got a respectable result. A pair of the constructing character did the Mendel select his study. 7. External manifestations of the genotype of organism is called phenotype. Genetic make-up of organism is called genotype. The symbol is male, the symbol is female, the symbol is sex unspecific, the symbol is alternate individual, this symbol is matching. That symbol is matching between the relative pairs of the above children below the order of birth. Left parents male child affected with the disease affected offspring career डिक्रीजिंग स्टिल डेट ट्विन। तो ये है एरिया जीनो जनरेशन। ये है आर्थिक नंबर्स इंडिविजुअल विद द जनरेशन सिंबल्स ऑफ द कॉमन ह्यूमन पेडिग्री एनालिसिस। डिग्री क्या होती है? पेडिग्री ए डायग्रामेटिक रिकॉर्ड ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ पार्टिकुलर ट्रेट्स ओवर 2 or more generations of family tree. Analysis, it is analysis of diagrammatic record inheritance particularly trait over 2 or more generation in the family tree. Symbol square represent in pre-degree, square represent in male progeny. The horizontal line present in the pre-degree, horizontal line represent the parents. In pre-degree analysis, it is help to know possibility present in trait in the homogeneous or heterogeneous state in the particular offspring.